everyone, welcome to our channel Take Afro. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you how to make a welcome channel on Discord. First go to your Discord and then go to server settings. Now tap channels and then tap create option. Now name your channel welcome and then set your channel type as text. Now tap on your new welcome channel and change your category like as test and then set a permission. Add a bot to your server so that every time new member joins or enter your server, so bot can welcome them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.